Hi everybody, welcome back to another Airbrushing Small Portraits. We are doing another classic today. We've got Frank Sinatra. We're going to blast this one out on a 53mm by 85mm cut out piece of card, so it's the same size as a credit card. Test piece to the side for my paint. Airbrush Infinity Giraldes guys, H&S with the Evolution 2024 trigger fitted. Really comfortable, fits in that brush absolutely spot on. Paint mix, wicked, version 2 mixed with isopropyl and water. We've got the image across here. Let's get into it. I'll see you at the end and we'll have a closer look on Frank. There you go guys, Frank Sinatra done. Nice one to do. I shall pan you in for a closer look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel and you're liking the content, click that subscribe, press that notification, drop your comments and I'll get back to you in the comments. Thanks for watching guys. Here's a close-up of Frank.